Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. This was completely unexpected. I forgot about my Allure Beauty Box. This is a $12 a month subscription and it normally comes, well, I've only been getting it a couple, I think 3 months now. And the first month I got it right away because I ordered it in December. And then the second month it took like to the end of the month. And now here we are again at the end of the month. So I'm guessing that this comes at the end of the month. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you guys get this box and how it works for you. Because like I said, this is a new box for me. I do like it. The first couple boxes I got, I absolutely loved. But when I went and checked the mail today, I was like, oh, because I thought that my next unboxing or my next video that I was going to be uploading was my Hush Haul palette review that I just did, but that will be going up probably like Monday. Expect that video because I don't think I have any other boxes to film for the rest of the month, so it will be something to hold over maybe Monday or Wednesday to hold over until the beginning of the month for another video. However, I am trying to come up with some video ideas. I am new to this, as everybody knows. I'm waiting for that 70th subscriber, so if it's you, please subscribe. I check it like all the time just because it's new, it's fun, it's exciting. I love seeing and interacting with you guys. There are a few of you that I talk to almost in every video, and I thank you guys so much. You make me feel so awesome. Like, I never thought this would happen. But here I am blabbing again. So you're here for the beauty box. So let's go ahead and get into the beauty box. I have not watched any videos on this. Like I said, I try to keep it clean and stay away from that stuff. Oh, let's sidetrack real quick before I get into the box. I just wanted to say with that, the box that I did yesterday, the BoxyCharm, this brush that they give you, I don't know. It's so flimsy. Like, this is my normal highlighting brush. This is a Wet n Wild. I don't think it has like numbers or anything on it. No, it's just, I think it was from the Christmas collection that they let out this year that was $30. And if you got it on a certain week, it was $15 for the collection. So I use a lot of these. These are fantastic. I love these. I recommend keeping an eye out every year for this Christmas collection. Anyway, this is what I'm used to. And then this is this. So I don't know. Like, I don't know if I'm going to get use out of this brush or not. I did try it, but I did go over it again with this brush. So anyway, and this stuff that I said was like not, when I first seen it, my first impression was ew. But look at it. Like, this stuff is amazing. I love this stuff. This is going to be my new best friend. Anyway, okay, so now back to the beauty box. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It's got the little card, and it has the hashtag Allure Beauty Box, and it's a light pink, very cute. Comes with a book that tells you about the products in there. Does it have a theme? I don't think it has a theme, but it says inside the box, all-star lineup. The products in this month's box are a mix of Allure's editors' longtime staples and new discoveries that are quickly earning permanent counter space. In quotations, a serious statement given what premium real estate this group is looking for. One standby. Okay, so I messed that up. And apparently I can't read either, which we already know. And here we go with the big words. Bioessence face oil makes skin dewy on the spot. Another Mamado's Rose Tonic water helped make a toner fan out of a true skeptic. It makes skin that soft. Then there are products that won us over more recently, like Amika's Frizz Smoothing Hair Mask. I love that brand. And All Naturals Organic Cream Blush. Our exclusive beauty director even found an Acunite oil that she likes so much. She's willing to add an extra step to her bedtime skincare routine, aka that thing that stands between her and sweet sleep. So I'm hoping that didn't just tell us everything that's in the box, but I'm kind of thinking it did. So there's that. And this is, I love these bags. Every month they come broken. This month they didn't, yay. So normally the last two ones that I got had slits on the edges that opened up and broke. So this month it did not. And I really like these bags. They're nice plastic, good bags. All right, so I'm going to start with the thing that was just sitting there. And I think we did just read everything. And this is All Naturel Cream Multi-Stick. And that is what it looks like. And it says, the All Naturel, the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick in Grapefruit. When I blended this golden peachy cream blush onto my cheeks, it gave my complexion a subtle warmth and color that looked like it could be my own. It's a magic wand that gives you a running around the playground flush, even when you're staring at a computer all day. The fresh effect works especially well if you put it on the apples of your cheeks and across the bridge of your nose and blend it in with your fingers. And it doesn't hurt that the formula is organic and cruelty-free. And it is $35. And this looks like it's a full size, so there's 2 boxes right there and some. Oh, nice packaging. So it's nice and like a metal package. And that's what it looks like. And it is grapefruit, the color. And it is a push-up cream. Doesn't smell like grapefruit, but let's see. Oh, it is kind of pretty. I'm not a fan of cream blushes because I feel like they take my makeup off. So I'm not like really the biggest fan of it, but I will definitely give this a try. Absolutely. And oh, it's hot in here. And it says it's $35, I think is what it said. Yeah, $35. All right, so first item, yes. All right, and now let's get into the bag that I love so much. Tell me it just broke. Oh, that just fell. Piece of cardboard just fell and I thought it broke. All right, so the first thing I am pulling out is Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. And it is 0.17 fluid ounces. That is what it looks like. And let's see, where is it at? Where are you? Where are you? Okay. Don't know where you are. I think I had this problem before where it said something I had and I couldn't find it in my book. Oh, here it is. That's because it's in the picture, it's a bucket. All right, so Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. A facial balm sounds scary, heavy, but this one is quick absorbing. After a few days, its natural oils got rid of redness and dry spots that were making my skin look uneven and ashy. $48, guys. $48. Wow. All right. It is not safety sealed. It is like a yellowishy tint. If I can get it off. I don't think you can. You can see like the oiliness of it. Let's see how it feels. Oh, it does rub right in. And then it starts to feel a little thick. All right. So we'll try that. I like my overnight creams. Next item. Biosense. Yeah. I love when these things come and I can't pronounce them. Squalane, I think. Peptide Eye Gel. Reduces visible and puffiness dark circles. That is what it looks like. And it is... Alright. This quick absorbing gel keeps my under eyes plumped and hydrated. Fine crinkly lines are much less noticeable, as is the puffiness I often wake up with. $54 for a full price of this. $54. Allure's been I love this box. Allure's been killing it. So that's what it looks like. And it is, how many fluid ounces? 1.1 fluid ounce. Oh, and it is just a cream. Doesn't have a smell. Nice and soft. I mean, you really can't see that, but it's very soft. Like it. All right, moving on. There's a lot of items in this box, or box, bag, whatever. Oh, I have this. I got this in another box. I'm not sure which box I got this in, but I did get it because I just went through some of my stuff yesterday. And this is Mamone Rose Water Toner. And it's just a toner. And it is full price at $23. And it says, some of it says, I certainly wasn't there for harvesting of these flowers, but I can confirm that this toner feels as silky as putting on rose petals. I like to apply it with a cotton pad. Okay, which I have not used this yet, so we'll try it. I'm still trying to get into using toners. That's I'm guilty of not using a toner either. All right, so the next item. So, well, that's 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th item so far. And this is Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. Okay. And there are 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. I use it after my retinol at night and on dry spots before makeup, and even on the ends of my hair. Okay, and this is priced at $12.99 for a full size, so that's affordable compared to some of the other things that we've been pulling out of this bag. Oh, bougie. Okay, so it's just a glass bottle. That is bougie. But the picture doesn't look like that. Or wait, did I look at the wrong thing? Yeah, it doesn't look like that. The bottle that they show you looks like that. So, okay. Oh, it's a roller ball. And it does smell good. It's very, very fragranced. Like flowery fragrance. I don't know. Okay, so we'll give that a shot. I'm not really great with night oils. I do use that Sunday Riley one that we got in the box. December. I think that's why that's why I ordered the boxes, because of that. All right, these are all products I've never heard of except for that one, and it's only because I got it in a box. Vichy, V-I-C-H-Y, Vichy, Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. Mineralizing Water Hydraulic Acid. Okay, we'll take it. I like that. Where is you at? All right. And this says, I'm addicted to the serum soft skin softening powers. It feels as light as water going on, which is appropriate considering the formula is 89% mineral water. The water comes from Vichy, France. I think I'm saying that right. Probably not, though. The other 11% includes hydraulic acid and glycerin that also do an excellent job of leaving skin quenched. And $29.50 for this, which is affordable as well. So that's not bad. But those first couple products are not affordable for me. Not in my budget. All right, and that is what it looks like. And a little pump. I've got like skin. This is definitely a skincare box this month. Oh, very, definitely like a clump of oil for sure. Yeah, definitely like oily. But I don't, and it's supposed to be water. It has a very slight scent. All right, so now we're on to the last item in the box, and then off to work I go. Fantastic, love it. And this is Essential Derma E Micro Dermabrasion Scrub. Yay, I love these things. All right, and where are you so I can read you real quick? Where are you? Okay. I didn't get the Amica. Why didn't I get the Amica? Oh, because I think it was either that, you either got the one of these two, which I'd rather have the Amica because I love that brown, but I'll give this a shot. All right, so back to this. The Derma E Microdermabrasion Scrub. This scrub with salt and grapeseed oil collapses many skincare steps into one pot. It lifts away dead cells, clears pores, moisturizes, and it delivers. My skin's texture is better and my cheekbones look downright glinty. Full price is $32.50. This is 1/2 of an ounce. It's just a creamy mixture. It doesn't look very gritty. I guess it does, kind of. Kind of just looks like a lotion, but let's see. Oh yeah, there's, I don't know if you can see the grit or not, but it's definitely gritty. Doesn't really have much of a scent. All right, so recap. Great box again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, you guys. 7 items for $12. So the Ren Overnight Cream, the Rose Water Toner, the Microdermabrasion, the, what was this? This is the Blue Tansy Night Oil. And this is Peptide Eye Gel. And the Mineral Stuff, Vichy, Mineral 89. And then the Cheek, the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick for $12. So that's a great deal. Almost up there with my Target boxes. So thank you again for coming and watching. And like I said, I will be uploading my Hush haul next week. And then, like I said, leave me any comments on ideas on what I could do, on what videos I could post in, in between my boxes or whatever, and give me some ideas. I would appreciate it. And, we're almost to 70 subscribers. Please, one more subscriber to get me there, and I'll be just so happy. Thank you. I don't feel like being pushy, but it just means so much to me. Like, please, please, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, just hit that red subscribe button. It means the world to me. You have no idea what it's like to be a new YouTuber and you see the subscribe button or their subscribers go up. It just warms my heart, you guys. And I love so much that you keep coming back and watching. And like I said, look forward for the Hush haul video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.